Welcome to It's All Gravy, spicy, smoky, barbecue chicken tikka masala. Strap in and get ready to prepare our amazing curry recipe. We are going to start by making our fresh curry paste. We need to dry fry the spices. Add cumin, coriander seeds, cardamom pods, fenugreek seeds. Roll around in the pan until becoming fragrant. Then add to your mortar and pestle. Grate garlic, ginger, add turmeric, smoked paprika, garam masala, Kashmiri chilli powder, add your ginger and garlic, followed by clarified butter. Use some elbow grease and beat this into a smooth paste. It should be a vibrant red, which will give your curry a distinctive tikka colour. Now time for your chicken marinade. Take a third of your paste, add yogurt, salt, lemon juice. Mix this in a large bowl. You should end up with a delicious flavour vehicle. I recommend boneless chicken thighs, as they will pack more flavour and give better texture to the dish. Make sure they are completely covered in the marinade and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, but ideally overnight. Light your barbecue and wait for the flames to die down. Now time for our garlic and coriander naans. Add tepid water, yeast, whisk until the yeast is dissolved and leave in a warm area to bloom for 15 or 20 minutes. Add nigella seeds, baking powder, brown sugar, yogurt, clarified butter, strong flour and salt. Mix on a low speed for 5 minutes or knead by hand for a similar amount of time, then cover. We grill our chicken over hot coals, which adds a deep, smoky flavour to our curry. Alternatively, you could place them under a hot grill. You want to achieve some dark colour. We've moved them off the direct heat and covered with the lid so they're cooked through. Let your chicken cool slightly and then dice into bite-sized chunks. Now time for our masala sauce. Dice onions, clarified butter, then saute in clarified butter. Add a pinch of salt, which helps stop the onions from browning. Then our beautiful fragrant curry paste. Cook the paste for 2 minutes before adding chopped tomatoes. Reduce the heat. Cook out the tomatoes until they become a thick paste. Now add coconut milk and double cream. Bring the sauce to the boil and remove from the heat. we are now making pilaf rice. This is washed rice, and we're cooking it to a 2:1 ratio of water. Cardamom pods, a quarter of a chicken stock cube, clarified butter, and a pinch of salt. Bring to the boil with a lid on. Once boiled, place in a 180-degree oven for 20 minutes. Your dough should have now doubled in size. Remove it from the bowl and portion it into 6 even pieces. The dough will be quite wet, but this creates great bread. Use flour to stop it sticking. Roll out all the portions of bread into oval shapes, about 3 mm thick. Preheat your oven as hot as it goes. Anywhere above 250 degrees will work. Ideally use a baking stone or anything heavy that can handle the heat. Lay your naans directly on top. They should only take 3 or 4 minutes. We're making coriander and garlic butter. Take chopped coriander, garlic powder, salt, and spread generously over the naans while still hot. On to finishing the curry. Chop coriander. Then check the sauce for seasoning. We needed a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon for freshness. Stir in your diced chicken and coriander. Plate up with mango chutney and prepare yourself for a smoky, spicy curry delight. Don't forget, if you like the video, join the gravy train and subscribe.